I think it's something that's defined me throughout my life, is looking at status quo and asking why not? Why can't this be different? Why can't more people be able to own their financial futures? Why can't more people be able to have access to quality investments like real estate and have financial stability and prosperity? It shouldn't be concentrated in the hands of a few. CADRE is a technology-driven real estate investment platform. We allow individuals the opportunity to invest in commercial real estate properties the same way they would look to invest in stocks. We've built a platform to sort of IPO real estate buildings and to let a broader range of people participate in some of the most compelling and lucrative commercial real estate investments in the world in a much more frictionless manner. We want every single person to be able to have a vibrant financial future by having access to commercial real estate investments. The reason that's so important is because we're living in an age where the haves and the have-nots are further divided than they've ever been. Power and wealth has been more concentrated than it's ever been before, and there's more economic and financial suffering than there's ever been before. We want to build a better, more inclusive global economy, and we want to start from the perspective of financial investments, and specifically real estate. Real estate's the most important asset class to own to build long-term wealth. Real estate is an incredibly homogeneous industry. It's an industry where there's not a lot of diversity, and that extends to the owners of real estate buildings as well. We want diverse, which means underrepresented minority and women operators, owners, to be able to bring properties to our platform that we can capitalize. But we want to usher in that generation. We want to usher in that era of access, inclusion, and empowerment. When you look at the folks across the board at General Catalyst, many of them have been change makers, many of them have defied the odds. Frankly, spending time with folks like them is inspiring because you see what it is possible. I think GC has done an amazing job and pioneered in many ways investing with companies that are endeavoring to create a greater good, promote better quality of life for so many people. That's on the medical healthcare side, but it's also in our space in the fintech, real estate tech side as well. When you have that lens of how does this company help create greater good, then when you're getting someone's advice about a product decision, or when you're trying to get someone's advice on entering new markets, that the feedback from the GC team is not going to be solely through the lens of how much money will this make, or what will this do to revenue and top line. What's the broader impact that you're going to be having, and how does this decision actually move you towards this arc of helping build a better world? My long-term ambition from the perspective of what we're building at CADRE are to make alternative investments less alternative. We want any individual to know that they now, with the click of a few buttons, can invest in a high-quality real estate building that'll give them stability, that'll give them financial prosperity long-term. We want them to know that that's attainable. CADRE will be the catalyst to changing that paradigm in the world's biggest asset class in industry real estate. They can own their future.